Do you want to create your personalized Snapchat Bitmoji quickly? In this video, I will show you step by step how to make your own Bitmoji or avatar in just a few minutes, customize it and link it to your Snapchat account. So, to know how to do that, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Snapchat app. Then here in this page, you find this sign of profile, so we click on profile on above, like this here. We click on this sign of profile. After that, here on this page, you will find settings, so we click on settings. Then here on this page, you will scrolling down until you find something called Bitmoji, so we click on Bitmoji here. And then we'll find here create my avatar. Bitmoji is your personal emoji. Create an expressive cartoon avatar and pick from a huge library of stickers featuring you. So you click here on create your avatar. Then you can choose to take a picture of your face, or you can create it by your own. Here you can choose. And when you when you take a picture, here we click on continue. As you see, they give you your own emoji, and here you can choose the outfit, or you can just click on done. So if you want to choose an outfit here, you can choose the style of an outfit, you can choose it here. You can choose glasses or anything here, shampoo, and choose here bag, anything you can choose it. And when you end with this, you can click on save to create your Bitmoji or your avatar in easy way. So that's it. This is my Bitmoji here. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if you are and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.